Okay, so if we're looking at water fasting, there's several different approaches we can take. The classic one that might be the easiest to start with is what they call an intermittent fast. And as you can see here in the top left, that there's a period of time that you eat in the white and a period of time where you don't eat. And that's really quite easy to do. So you might say from 9 o'clock at night till 5 in the morning, you are not going to eat anything. You're only going to drink water. So that's something that a lot of people could do. And that time period can be even shorter. It could be from midnight to 5 or 6 in the morning. But you pick a period of time and you exclude all food, not even anything, no soft drinks. Be careful of teas or coffees. The safest thing to do is just drink water, pure water. Then the type of fast that is probably the next stage, easiest to do, is then you might pick a day, a 24-hour fast, and say, well, for once every month, every Sunday, I'm going to fast for one day. Or maybe for some people, I know people that for a period of time, they might fast once a week, a 24-hour fast once a week. You kind of want to build up to it. I find the easiest thing is to do the intermittent fasting for a while and then pick a day where you're going to do one 24-hour fast, and we'll talk about that. Then, you can progress, and you might say that you might fast for a few days and then not fast. So on this 5-2 method, you might eat normally for 5 days and then fast for 2. And that's pretty demanding, but if you have something that you're specifically trying to work on, there are different reasons this becomes important. And the final one I think is, very interesting, the warrior's diet, fasting. And you can see here at the very bottom, if you were a warrior in the forest, you might only eat once a day. So there's 1 hour a day that you eat, and the rest of the day you are on your journey and you don't eat. So there's a lot of interest in that one, the warrior's diet. Okay, so there's a couple examples. If you wish to support my work, please just buy me a coffee.